Simply awesome weather to start the week. Now we look ahead toward your election day, and we don't have a lot of changes as we look in on beautiful downtown Fargo, holding on to mid 40s after highs today reached the 60s from the valley and points west. We had a lot of 50s out across parts of Minnesota as well. Right now, cooling off into the 40s for Detroit Lakes and Thief River Falls, 30s in central Minnesota for Bemidji up towards the Lake of the Woods area, 39 in the Valley City area, but mid 40s just to your west, as it was an awesome day today with wind also that was less than 50 miles per hour for a change, and not very gusty at that, just a few breezes out there. Most of the day the wind was from the west. Now it's light and out of the south, a few clouds heading in toward the Great Lakes. Other than that, our region very quiet, and that quiet trend continues into your overnight hours. As we take a look at your hour-by-hour forecast, we'll see these 30s pretty much stay stationary in the mid-30s for the overnight hours. The rest of us begin our Tuesday morning in the low 40s. So if you're heading out to the polls first thing in the morning, expect very little in the wind, clear skies, and temperatures that'll be cool, but not as cold as we've been the past few mornings. In fact, closer to 40 degrees for many, with a few in central Minnesota in the mid-30s. Heading towards your midday hour, you'll notice that from the west, the wind picks up just a bit. So our western counties will have a west breeze at around 10, maybe 15 miles per hour. Temperatures there will be lurching toward the mid-50s and 60 degrees already by the lunch hour. And we'll see a lot of 50s across greater Minnesota. Now in the afternoon, if you're waiting until after work to head to the polls, we'll pause this at about 4 to 5 o'clock, and we'll notice that temperatures will be coming down from highs that will now take place at around 3 to 4 o'clock as opposed to the 4 to 5 o'clock hour, now that we've fallen back on the old clocks. As we head through your afternoon, though, not much in the way of cloud cover. We'll enjoy beautiful conditions throughout the day. For the most part, light winds out of the west at 5 to 15 miles per hour. And in the evening, quiet conditions continue across the region. Here's what it means for your day in Fargo. Again, heading to the polls, temperatures near 40 degrees, sunny skies, light wind. Still light winds in the midday hour, maybe a little bit of a breeze out of the west, and temperatures in the mid-50s, and they will basically stay near 60 as we go through the 4 o'clock hour. After that, cooling off a little bit, but quiet. If you're heading in when polls close at 7 o'clock, we'll still be near 50 degrees. Again, those polls close at 7 on the North Dakota side of the river. The green 50s here in central Minnesota for your afternoon. The rest of us have a good chance at the 4 o'clock hour of still being near 60 to 64 degrees. Gorgeous shot Linda shared from the Blanchard area. Wonderfully colorful skies the past couple of sunrises and sunsets. Beautiful weather continues Wednesday. We warm a couple of degrees. The best days Thursday and Friday. I think we will see some 70s to close out the work week. So in answer to your question, it does appear that we'll have today and all week with temperatures in the 60s to near 70 degrees. Big changes coming for the weekend. A storm system we're watching closely. Wind. We appear to be on the warm side of it right now, Andrea. So rain changing to snow late on Sunday.
Regarding the good days, you really know how to deliver.
It's looking great.
It is. Thanks, Hutch.
Yes.